So I'm super excited for this weekend because a group of us, and by group I mean like 20 of us, are going on a little weekend extravaganza to a place called Kriby. And honestly, that's really all I know. I know it's called Kriby. I don't really even know where it is or what we're doing, but I heard there was an adventure. I heard that there would be hiking and waterfalls and swimming and driving, and I was like, I'm coming. Definitely count me in. So I'm excited to go and just see what happens, and it should be a fun time.
Going to Kriby, baby!
So, we have 30 minutes left to get there. We're at the passport checkpoint, so they're checking our passports. It looks like.
Welcome.
Oh yeah, it's a little nice little hole. So we have arrived and we're waiting for our rooms, and I'm really excited. I feel like I could just go down and find Moses in the little basket. Yeah. That's what I feel like. So guys, I just had a tumble. I have my witness here. Yeah, so I was on this giant rock I'm about to show you and completely wiped out. And also it seems that someone was filming, Sean was filming, and got it in slow motion. So, in slow motion. So really glad that that like proud moment of my life is captured forever.
Swept away, I'm stolen. Let the sky fall.
Adventure, and now my knee. Oh, check it out. I don't know if you can actually see that. It's not that bad, but well, it's crazy that it's not that bad because you felt like God protected me. Oh yeah, there's like a tiny bit of blood. I have a scar to tell the tale, and now we have to get back before the waves trap us here. Yeah, because the tide is rising. Sean in the background. And when I woke up, I didn't know I would be on a boat this morning. What? What are we doing? Oh, there's a puddle that's like as deep as the river. Hey Kate. Hey. So I am forging a waterfall right now. It is super scary. Literally, like, I don't even know what I'm stepping on. Okay. What am I doing with my life? So this weekend has felt like way more than 2 days. And I think it's because we were meant to take a Sabbath. We were meant to take time to be outside and be reminded that the world doesn't exist based off of our efforts. And it will continue to exist without our efforts. And look, it does. It does just fine without us. And so I really love being out here, and I'd do it again. Okay, so we made it to the falls. die. All my work paid off for this.
Yes. Enjoy it.
I want more. It's pretty much open. That's how you do it.
I
Really.
won't quit, cause I want more. Yeah. Get it.
I know I look super buff, but for some reason I'm not.
Sorry, not that you don't look super buff.
Well, I think that's a nice clean job. I don't know why it's been so hard for me to take a Sabbath. It's funny how I take all the other commandments really seriously, but then the keep the Sabbath holy, I'm like, when I feel like it. And this trip has really been a good reminder to me of how much I need it. I've just been going and going and going like a machine, even throughout college and now on the ship. And this weekend has been like that breath of fresh air reminding me that God is in charge and God is in control. I don't need to worry. Each day has enough trouble of its own.